What's up, guys? It's May 16th, 2024. Market's almost closed, like 1 minute till. That's why you see the last bar forming. Pretty tough day, if you ask me. The bear moves were pretty sudden, very deep pullbacks. So we've had a lot of bullish pressure. Slightly red on the day on two accounts. So minus 25 on one, minus 150 on another one, and up 100 on one. So kind of fluctuates, but still chipping towards the payout. So I'm not too pressed. Let's get into it. Be a quick one today. I do gotta go do a few things. That's why I'm starting a little bit earlier. I say it's gonna be a quick one, but I'm just gonna talk about what we have to talk about. The market's been in a bull channel. We had a breakout channel, and now it looks kind of climactic. We're failing around the high of the year, which was April 1st. Oh, yesterday we put in a new high, and now we're starting to reverse. Whoa, that's looking nasty. So yeah, that's a nasty spill. Yeah, let's get into it. Bar one, we have a gap up. It's a range bar. We rallied and then closed on its midpoint. And then bar two, we bearish tried to sell off and reverses and closes at the high of bar one. There's a two tick tail on the top of bar two, so bulls did try and break out and failed. Bar three, we see a bear bot. It's a bearish candle above the EMA. We have a big gap up. Man, that's looking nasty. I was short around here, and then it started to spring, so I got out. I was short here, and then my PT was here, and then it didn't get tagged. So let me try again, and then this started to viciously go up, and it was super late in the day. But look, my PT was hit. That's good, I guess. I'm not in the trade though. Yeah, we're range bound for the first 6-7 bars, and we see range bound price action all day. Tough. It's a broad bear channel. It's expanding. Dang, this is bumming me out. I was holding this PT here. It sprung back on me. Here, sprung back on me. I got short here. Yeah. Of course it hits it. Well, that's the way the game goes. I'm not trading tomorrow, but you'll be seeing this today. I'm not trading on Friday. So we have a breakout of yesterday's high with a lot of bullish pressure. I think it's a good breakout. Bar 9 doesn't close above the high, but the tail rallies, and then bar 11 does close far past bar 9. Oh, that's bar 10. Excuse me. Bar 10 closes far past bar 9's high, closing above yesterday's high. Bar 12, bears try and sell off, but it rallies, making a new high, and then oh my gosh, excuse me. Bar 11 sells off and then rallies, making a new high. Bar 12 and 13 starts to become a pullback. Bar 14. This is also an equal double top. I was measuring it. Bar 13 is 41.25, and this is also 41.25. So this could be a double top. Bears might try and short, thinking it's gonna fail. They get trapped, and then we get another fractal two legs up. The fractal two legs up would be here, or you could say like this: leg one, pullback, leg two. And then the market goes range bound for a little bit, and we start to get the bearish breakout, which is really sideways, fast moves and a lot of sideways price action. Fast move, a lot of sideways. Fast move, a lot of sideways. So pretty crazy day. I'm just watching how far this goes. I can't believe it went right up to the dang thing. Bar 21, strong bar. Sells right off into the EMA and we start to bounce. After a trend line break, we usually can look for a retest. The retest failed, but you should have been able to scalp out fast enough if you bought this. If you tried to fade bar 21 back to the recent trendline highs, fails on 24, 25, fails on 25, 26 sells off into the EMA. We go sideways. This is kind of looks like a bull flag. I thought it was a bull flag. I was long here, and then I reversed right before we broke the EMA. Like at the EMA. Bears get the breakout, and we go sideways for about 20. That's about an hour, and then we get a sudden flush down again and go sideways. So it's really I think today was kind of a tough day. It was tough for me to trade because of all the bullish price action we had. I was way more bullish, but yeah, red day, first red day in a while. I'm not trading tomorrow, so it's probably good. I take a little break, step away, get refreshed on Monday. The accounts are green, so that's the most important thing, I guess. But yeah, it just sucks having a red day. Anyway, so bar 47, strong flush. 48, bad follow through. Test the 50% level and it goes sideways. This creates a bear flag. Let's check the high of 49. 34.50. The high of 54 is 34.75. So 54 traded one. What's the high of 48? Oh yeah, so we have a double top with 48 and 54. The high of 48 is 34.75. The high of 54 is 34.75. So that's pretty much a perfect double top right here. Like how we had a really nice double bottom somewhere, wherever I called it out earlier. Oh, double top here, double top here. So bulls buy this, they get trapped, they buy more, they get out at their original entry price, they make money on a scalp, and that's what creates double tops, and then they sell 55, 56, and 57, they get bigger. It's a bigger, the bars are growing, and then out of nowhere, 56 gets put in, and then the bulls get their few legs higher. Here's a wedge top right there. 58, 59, 60. So 58, 59 is a leg, pull back, and then a second leg with 61, 62, 63, pull back with 64, third leg, that creates a wedge top. And then look at this sell. Leg one, pull back, leg two, extremely deep pullback. We bounced off, the bulls bounced off the previous swing low. I got out around that midpoint because it was surging super late in the day, not worth it. So yeah, pretty good day for the Bears. They finally got their pullback. I mean, first bear bar in May 1st. So over 2 weeks, we haven't had a bear bar. That's pretty crazy to think. It was a little bit quicker one. There's a lot of sideways price action. That's not to be ignored, but it's just you guys stay out of TTRs, tight trading ranges. You know, there's no two bars here. No two bars. There's two bars, 36 and 37, but really bad follow through. You know, look at the tails, and then they get their two legs up. Bulls leg one, pull back leg two, double top right there. Tricky day. I think today was a tricky day. It was for me. I admit it. I'm a little bummed out. I'm red. I keep repeating myself. I'm gonna stop being a Debbie Downer. It's the first red day. I'm doing good. My accounts are up. So it is what it is. This is part of it. I like it. I gotta get used to it. So yeah, hope you guys are doing good. I appreciate the comments. I'm about to go reply to a few of you guys. I'm in Pacific Standard Time and I'm releasing the videos at 12 a.m. So I'm asleep pretty much when everyone's commenting. Then I wake up, I get to the markets, and then I hit you guys up. So I appreciate the support. I will talk to you guys later. Drop a follow. I drop these every day. Don't drink and drive. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.